Hey everybody, Dr. Luke Stringer here from Advanced Health Chiropractic. A real common question we get asked in the clinic is, what is the popping coming from my spine? Is it my bones cracking? Fortunately, it is not your bones cracking. It is called a cavitation. It's actually a naval term. When a propeller hits the water and pulls through the water, it creates an air bubble. That air bubble pops. In the water, it shows up as bubbles. However, in the spine, when you move the joint, through its intended range of motion with force and speed, it creates an air bubble within the disc pops. Popping is completely safe. It means that the joint has moved. If you're watching on Instagram or Facebook, please like and follow the page. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and we look forward to seeing some awesome content soon.